This is the acid-base ID test. They get cups numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They get a little test piece of paper that's got just asking whether they are acids or bases. They need to competently use universal indicator solution, making sure to only add the universal indicator to the substance, not the other way around, and enough to change its color. They should then be able to order them based on intensity of color. You should then be able to rearrange red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and thus surmise whether they are acids. 8 would be an acid, 3 would be an acid. This is a terrible pen. So they're just going to write the letter in the circle. So 8's an acid, 3's an acid, 4 is a weak acid. We could do strong, weak, and neutral. 7 is going to be a weak acid. My 2's and 6's. 6 is going to be neutral. 5 is going to be a weak base. 1 will be a weak base, and 2 will be a strong base. You put your name on your paper, and they turn it in. After having completed this, we then go over some equations of how you determine whether the reactants and products will be acids or bases. And I have them mix their weak acids and strong acids and strong bases. Always add acid to base. They can look at the color and determine that indeed the base was stronger than the acid in this situation. Always add acid to base. In this case, they were about the same. They became neutral. 4 into 5. Once again, neutral. And if I add a little weak acid to a neutral substance, it indeed becomes acid. So we can go over how you can determine whether the product will be acidic or basic based on the acidity or alkalinity of the reactants.